There's a test to turn on my car after 4 days, after the timing guides, to show you that my vanos don't really rattle much. So watch me. I have egg in my face and hear it rattle. Cold start, morning, ready to go to work. It gets cold. 177,000 miles. It's a perfect start. No engine light. Thank goodness. I love how the engine sounds so much newer, smoother. I advise if you haven't changed your timing guides, do it just for preventative. And you get startups like this in the morning with 177,000 miles. It's like a new car. I can literally just drive off right now and be okay. Before I used to really have to warm up my car. I get a little engine shake at the beginning, the rattle in the morning. Anyway, this is good stuff.